Oh, clock, we must go. We must get out of here.
You stay right here.
Why would he leave me alone out here when this monster's on the loose? I'll show him.
We need help over here at City Hall. Oh no, where could she have gone? I told her to stay right here. Oh. No time to wait for backup. Here goes nothing. Up, and away!
To be continued.